Hello student, in this video I will cover the topic project control plan and communication. This is the last topic of your fourth unit. So let's start. So let us see the purpose of project control plan. So what is the purpose of project control plan? So the project or the purpose of project control plan consists of following things. First is a plan to employ an integrated set of work processes, procedure and applications to plan, monitor, execute and control the work, measure and applications can be specific to a project, and consequently all the procedures and applications to be used should be acknowledged in the project control plan. So first purpose is this. Second purpose is a plan to implement an integrated group of application. Second is a plan to implement an integrated group of applications. Next is a plan to recognize the accountabilities, role and responsibilities for the project control team member. Next is a plan to fabricate the project control deliverables, outlooks and scope of work. So the application of project control plan is considered as a principal indicator for supporting in the success of the delivery of the project. So students, let us see once again the purpose of project control plan. So first purpose is a plan to employ an integrated set of work processes, procedures and application to plan, monitor, execute and control the work, measures and applications can be specific to a project, and consequently all procedures and applications to be used should be acknowledged in project control plan. Next, a plan to implement an integrated group of application. Next, a plan to recognize the accountabilities, roles and responsibility for project control team members, and a plan to fabricate the project control deliverables, outlook and scope of work. So the application of project control plan is considered as a principal indicator for supporting in the success of the delivery of the project. So let us see the project control plan and communication. So first is, what is communication plan? The rationale of a communication plan is to endow with the project team an understanding as to the methods, rule and regulations required for conducting communication for the growth, publishing, appraisal and approval of the project information among the project team members and the project stakeholders. So the subsequent information should also be included as an element of the project control plan. So this is communication plan. So what is communication plan? The rationale of the communication plan is to endow the project team members an understanding as the methods, rules and regulations required for conducting communication for the growth, publishing, appraisal and approval of the project information among project team members and the project stakeholders. The subsequent informations should also be included as the element of the project control plan. So this is the communication plan. So next is file structure. So the rationale of the file indexed arrangement segment is to provide the project team with the storehouse for storing information. The project team should completely understand new documents are stored, whether this is a proper copy or an electronic copy, that is hard copy or soft copy. For that reason, the file index should consist of a dictionary that explains which information is stored and where. So this is the file structure or file structure. So students, what is the file structure? The rationale of file index arrangement segment is to provide the project team with a storehouse for storing information, and the project team should completely understand how documents are stored, whether this is a paper copy or an electronic copy. For that reason, the file index should consist of a dictionary that explain which information is stored and where. Now next project plan and communications are reporting and frequencies. So the project reporting parts defines the extent, layout, content and duties for the preparation, submission and approval of the project report. This segment will also include the requisite information essential to provide management with a time frame, specific assessment and reliable measurement of the plan against actual and forecast value in terms of overall cost, expenditure, performance and program progress. So a record of entire project reporting deliverables which identifies the frequency and whom the report is circulated to, and it should be attached to a project control plan. So third parameter is reporting and frequency. So let us see once again what is reporting and frequencies. So the project reporting part defines the extent, layout, content and duties for the preparation, submission and approval on the project report. This segment will also include the requisite information essential to provide management with a time frame, specific assessment, and reliable measurement of the plan against actual and forecast values in terms of overall cost, expenditure, performance, and program progress, etc. A record of entire project reporting deliverables, which identifies the frequency and whom the report is circulated to, should be attached to a project control plan. So this is the reporting and frequencies. Next is meeting requirement. So the reason of project meeting is to offer the project team with the understanding of meeting necessities to manage the project. So the organization might include more reporting requirements and occurrences based on the needs of the stakeholder of the project. So this is the meeting requirement. So the why meeting is required? So the reason of the project meetings is to offer the project team with understanding of meeting necessity to manage the project. So the organizations might include more reporting requirements and occurrence based on the needs of the stakeholder of the project. So the students, in project control plan we have seen about communication plan, files structure. So students, your fourth unit is complete, and I will discuss some numericals related to this unit. So first question is, what is program evaluation? You have also learned about this. Write a note on communication in a business enterprise. Next question is, define risk. How to analyze a risk and what are its source and how to measure the risk. So this question is also covered in the videos. Next question is, advertising through television is favorable to big companies, but indirectly it affects small emerging companies. Do you agree? Justify your answer. Next question is, decision making is the essence of managing. Explain this statement with example. So these are your some university questions. Now let us see more questions. Next question is, what do you mean by production planning and control? Explain the steps involved in production control. Next question is, describe capital expenditure and how to calculate it. Next question is, discuss profit planning in business enterprise. Next question is, define the assessment of economic viability and discuss its important technique. Next question is, define the term marketing and explain its objectives. How does it differ from selling? Next question is, how to control cash flow. Discuss cash flow controlling. So these questions are also discussed in the videos. What do you understand by project management? Next is, what it is fixed capital. Next is, what is project control. Next is, what is depreciation and why it is charged and why it is called non-cash flow. Next question is, how do lack of financial control and inappropriate marketing cause sickness. So these are the some other questions, and these all questions are covered in our 4th unit's video. So students, your 4th unit is completed and this video is also completed. So thank you and take care.